Hi, writers. Welcome back to another week together of writing. I'm in my writing space, so I hope you are too. And if not, you want to pause the video and get yourself to your writing space where you have all your materials and your books you've been working on and any extra paper you might need for today. So, last week you sent me some great topics for your All About Books. I saw grocery store and pets, SpongeBob, gardening, soccer, crabbing, and trucks, and so many great ideas. I want to remind you that your All About Books are about topics that you know about. They're telling books, so you're telling about the topic. They're a little bit different than a how-to book. You're not teaching how to do something. They're a telling book. They're a nonfiction book that you know about. So I want to teach you something today, writers, that good writers do when they're organizing an all about book. Do you remember last week I told you that my topic was going to be yoga? So I want to show you how I can organize my book, and then I'm going to invite you to try it. So if I were going to organize my book about yoga, I could use my hand. In the middle of my hand is my topic, my big topic, yoga. And then my fingers can be little topics that I know about yoga. So if I had yoga here, then a little topic that I know about yoga is, what is yoga? And then another little topic about yoga is, who can do yoga? And then another topic about yoga is, where can you do yoga? And then maybe another topic about yoga is how, or what do I need to do yoga? What are some things I know about doing yoga? So do you see how I did that? I took my big topic and then I used my fingers for little topics about it. And then that would be, your little fingers would be each page that you'll use for your writing. So here's my big topic of yoga. And then what is yoga? Who can do yoga? Where you can do it? And then equipment, or how you do it. Do you see how I did that, friends? So writers, when you're getting organized for your book and you think of the topic you want to use, that's your hand. And then the little subtopics that go underneath would be your fingers for each page to write about. So once you do that, you need to look through your writing and make sure that you're sticking to the topic. So I'm going to have us do a little activity on the next slide where we practice to see if the writer stuck to the topic. Did they stick to that topic on every page? Okay, writers, let's go see.